Now, I really like using word clouds. I think they are very effective features and they are incredibly visual and can be used in lots of different ways. And if you're not sure what a word cloud is, simply you take a selection of words. It could be an essay, it could be a speech, it could be a story. You copy them and paste them into a generator, and it produces a cloud, a shape of all the words. But what's clever about the word cloud is that the most frequently used words appear bigger. So automatically you can analyze a piece of text and look at what key words or what key themes appear, as well as identifying certain parts of words. Now, where have I seen word clouds used? I've seen word clouds used with speeches, for example, with Martin Luther King's speech to prompt discussions about the speech as well as the sort of language used. I've seen word clouds used by students as an introduction to essay. So their opening bit simply has a summary, a very unusual summary of their essay with the word cloud appearing. And I'm sure there are plenty other uses you can think of. One I've seen in geography where somebody has used a word cloud and used a generator called Tagzido, which allows you to put the words around a particular shape. And they've done a word cloud of the United Kingdom and put keywords around the map of the United Kingdom. Now, Tagzido is one particular generator. Wordle is another one, but I'm going to show you WorditOut. And the reason why I like WorditOut is that not only does it save your word cloud, but it also gives you the code to be able to embed it. So here is the WorditOut website. It's worditout.com, and I've got Martin Luther King's speech already here on a different website, and you can see that I have highlighted it. So let's just go back and do that again. Just going to drag the mouse down, so I highlight all the words, and I'm going to copy those words like that. Go into WorditOut and click on Create Your Own, and you now get a box ready to put the words in. So I click in the box and I paste those words in. So there are all the words from Martin Luther King's speech. If I press WorditOut, it will now create the word cloud. Now, WorditOut is, I think, the best of the three, because what it also does is it removes the sorts of linking words, the words that are not particularly important for the sense of the speech. So words like and of and the, go. So it just leaves you with the key words used in his speech. Now, what can you do with this? Well, if I click on random settings, I can change the layout and the style of those words like that. Keep on going, and there's a whole load of different ones you can do. And if I scroll down to the bottom, there's other features that I can do and change, including the text and the font and the size, as well as various different features there, which you can play about with. Let's just go back to here. I can redraw it, so it can just refresh the thing again. I can also change the target. I'm not quite sure why you would do this. If I move the target over there, it pushes it to one side. It may be of interest. Let's put it back to the middle. Just do one more. Let's get one that I quite like. Okay, that's good. So when you're done, you simply press the green save button, and you need to add in a title. So put Martin Luther King, I have a dream. I'm going to make mine public because actually it's not anything that I don't want other people to see. And you need to put in your email address so that you are sent a link and it's saved properly. So let's press save like this. And normally this takes, depending on how busy the site is, probably less than about a minute. In fact, it tells me it's now live and I'm ready to go and see it, and I've been sent an email to verify it. So let's go and see my site by clicking on this link, and there is my speech. And if I scroll down, I get to the embed option, which is what I want. If I click on that, it highlights everything, so I just need to copy it like so. I can now go into my website. I've got it already set up and good to go. Click on here, and because it's embed code, I need to click on the embed button, and then I right click in this case, and I paste in my code and press done. And it may come up straight away, or it may just give you the link if I just press done again. Normally it works just by refreshing a couple of times. There we go. There's my code. I've got my link back to Wordle. If I click on that link, it takes me to the actual site and I can go full screen, so I can show this on whiteboard to everybody. Let's just go back a bit, and there we are. So that is making word cloud with Wordle, and as I said, there are other word clouds available, and I'll put the link on this page.